No Sense Crew! Si prepara la Bad Mad Crew.
Baby, ride me to the darkness of the night. Kill me softly like you want me euthanize. Oh yeah, hot like rising sun, burning everything she touched. She don't even want your money, can buy you and someone else. She's addicted to the rush, I can never get enough. She's to the darkness of the night.
I just talked to Jesus. He said, what up, Jesus? I said, shit, I'm chillin', trying to stack these millions. I know he the most high, but I am a close high. Mi casa, su casa, that's our Costa Nostra. I am a god. I am a god. I am a god. Smile on my mama, good health and good karma, yeah, she deserves it all. 100 murals out in Compton, remember me, I kept my promise, yeah, we deserve it all. A better life for my daughter, made my son take it further than his father, yeah, he deserves it all. A close relationship with God, whisper to me every time I close my eyes, he say you deserve it all. Keep these bitch niggas away from me, keep all my blessings faithfully, keep my essence contagious, that's okay with me. I burn this bitch down, don't you play with me and stay with me. I'm crashing out right now, no one's safe with me. I did it with integrity and niggas still try hate on me. Just wait and see, more blood be spilling, it just paint to me. Dangerously, nothing changed with me, still got pain in me. Flip a coin, want the shameless me or the famous me? How annoying, does it angers me to know the lames can speak on the origins of the game I breathe? That's insane to me, it's important, I deserve it all because it's mine. Tell me why you think you deserve the greatest of all time, motherfucker.